Welcome to Pressure Points. I'm Gene Munster. Our topic tonight is Apple's Scary Fast event, primetime event, first time. And the pressure point is the Mac business. Before we jump into that, recap what was announced tonight. It was Apple's first 3 nanometer chips. They include both a CPU and a GPU component to it, and that's all on a single chip. And these chips are, of course, sold through buying Macs. Apple doesn't sell the chips to other third parties, of course. This is different than NVIDIA's GPU business, where they're selling them to hyperscalers like Azure and AWS. Some of those language around the event did bring in AI and some model training and AI developers. That was talked about. But just to be clear, this is about selling Macs, which gets us to the pressure point. And the Mac business, as a point of perspective, is about 10% of overall sales. It's been a roller coaster of growth rates. In the 5 years before the pandemic, it was up on average 2% a year. And then it jumped up to 23% growth in fiscal 21. And in this September quarter, it's probably going to be down around 26%. So we've seen this pretty significant drop off in the last couple quarters. And the real substance here is that you need to grow the Mac business. Even though this is a business that gets overlooked, it is 10% of sales. It does matter, and it's important that they get this to being more or less a flattish business. And I expect that with these updates, they will likely move to up slightly in the December quarter, probably up 5 to 7% in the December quarter, which is in line with estimates, but this should do the trick in terms of getting the Mac back to a more level baseline, kind of up a couple percent a year type of a run rate. So that's the pressure point. I would say there was the postscript to that. One piece that was entertaining to see was what they did with some of the pricing. They lowered the price of the 14-inch MacBook Pro that has this new M3 chip in it from, call it $2,000 to $1,600. But they also eliminated the 13-inch MacBook Pro, which previously had started at $1,300. And so effectively, they're raising the entry-level price of the MacBook Pro family by 23%. And they're gonna get away with this, I think, because consumers are going to see a lot of value in these new, better, faster chips. So this is the gift that keeps giving for Apple, the gift of speed, and it's going to manifest itself in improving Mac sales. On behalf of Pressure Points, I'm Gene. Bye for now.